Right, well, we're back on with the Abbot hull. The engine's all oiled up, ready to go back in, but I need to mend the throttle pedal and free off the steering levers, which we're going to do now. It's a bit cramped in here. Oh yeah, that one's all right. That one ain't good. Because it's so cramped in here, I'm going to take these two panels off because I need to get at the throttle down here because the ball joints fell off, you can see. And I need to get in there to grease it and oil everything up and clean it. So it's not too hard. Mind you, these probably haven't been off for 10 years. I've got these half-turn screws to undo, and then we can get this panel out. And then I can lean in from the outside on the inside, which makes it a bit easier. Right, now we've got those two panels off, you can actually get inside here. Got it caught and everything. I've got a new gauge for that, and seeing as all the others work, I don't know if that works, but I might repair that dashboard rather than just put a new one in it. That's a great big bolt there. Nice. Right, so you can see down here that little ball joint, if you push it on, you press the throttle, it just pulls straight off. Plus I think this shaft here, which works the throttle, is very seized. Plus we can see it's very dry in here, and there's water, sitting water down there. I need to suck that out and try and grease all of these linkages up because they are very stiff. Get all them freed off, and then we'll consider putting the engine back in, but maybe we'll get all this working nicely now while I can get in here and move around. It's much easier, do a better job of it. So I just got the gas warming up a pin and elbow down there, I don't know what you call it, but it's seized up. I've managed to put new greases in, grease the throttle shaft. That's all working nice and easy by hand. I've now fixed the throttle linkage, which is here. Put a new end on it, well, second-hand end off something else, and then that can go on. Then the throttle is fixed, greased up and oiled up the stop. That's all working properly. So hopefully, yeah, once I've got that warmed up with gas, that'll all work nicely. Get some oil on that, and then we are ready for the packing. New end on. Oh, throttle is working very nice now. What I'm going to do, that ain't quite man enough. I've got to get that a lot hotter, because what will happen is, because that pin isn't moving, what will actually happen is it'll be bending that rod every time you press it. It won't be long before it snaps that rod, and then it won't have any steering or brakes, which is why I don't think these things should go down the road. Here comes Adam with the oxyacetylene. That should get it warm. Protective tin, stop it from melting.
Give it a wiggle?
Give it a wiggle?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
Wiggle?
What, you like the smell of burnt WD-40?
Yeah, it reminds me of Lucy's cooking.
Oh, that freed it. I can't even see it now. It definitely feels much better. 100% better. out. Worked out it's actually easier to work the screwdriver on the outside and try and be on the inside and do it. You do it off the back of these things. So we're all about set now. Drop the pack in. Adam's just going to check the oils and then lift it in. Providing it doesn't rain and we get on alright, we might be driving it later. Maybe in the dark, we'll be driving it later. So we'll see in a second.
Suck in and suck, Adam.
Yeah, suck it in.
Suck it in.
A little bit more.
Preferably by his own hand.
Right. I'll go connect the gearbox, put the gauges back in the cab, and then we'll run it without any decks on to do tests, make sure we've got no leaks. We'll do a good run around. We can't run it for long because technically it needs the decks to cool properly, but we can run it for a little while. So we'll run it without the decks, make sure it's okay. So we'll be as quick as we can. We're running out of daylight. We're back in a moment. Up and away. Whoa! Is that off? Connecting up all the wires and powers and oil connections for the steering box. There's absolutely no room at all. A lot of people actually connect them as you put it in, which is a better idea, I know, but these wires and pipes are very stiff and I don't think they'd stand it. I think they just snap and cause leaks. So doing it the hard way. Got the whole team back today.
Is this the you had out the other
Your
week?
girlfriend.
We don't make mistakes, Bob.
No.
I mean, we only make mistakes.
Yeah, hold that. It looks like you're doing something.
Yeah. Start hitting something. That's it.
There's a pair of legs. Are they connected? Oh, yeah, they are connected.
Ow,
How's things in there?
Oh, it's very painful.
Has your head gone red yet?
All the blood's in my head.
I'm trying to hold the camera so it can sort of see.
This is really not fun.
Ah, brilliant. Bob's crashed.
Got all the gauges connected back up, oil pressure, fuel pressure, gear lever, all connected. It's a bit stiff, I think it'll get better. Seems to be working okay. Right, power then, and we'll try it. good jump packs these are. eBay, £190. Yeah, we're not sponsored, but we ought to be, because we give them a fair old bashing. Right.
Eating poo again. It's not broken down yet, Ted. Jack's airline.
I think we just put a little bit too much oil in it. And there's a little hole in the radiator there. It's either too much oil or the gauze in the sump is blocked with like sludge.
He's gonna do it.
Huh?
He's gonna do it.
You thinking about committing poo? Well, that's it for the Abbot chassis hull thing. We've got a little bit of engine oil that we need to suck out, because I didn't tell Adam how to check the oil on these. You don't actually check them when they're cold, you check them when they're running. You need to put about 10 litres too much in it. So we won't glorify that. Crack on the radiator that I'm hoping to solder up, but other than that, I think she'll be okay. So yeah, that will be it for the Abbot. And next video should be the FB 405. So thanks for watching. We'll see you again.